This is Caravan Salon 2021. I have in front of me a Bravia Mobil campervan. This thing here costs around 63,500 euros. It is on a Peugeot base, and let's have a little look inside it. It's a smaller company, and so slightly different from some of the mainline manufacturers such as Trigano and the others. But let's face it, at the end of the day, there's only so much you can do with a Peugeot to make it look different from the others. It certainly doesn't look different from the others here, because the kitchen is exactly the same. Where you can stand out a little bit is in the design in the washroom, and this certainly does have a different look to it, completely different look. And bearing in mind that this vehicle is only 205 centimeters in length, look how much space there is in this shower unit here. That really is quite impressive. And here we've also got this will come out to protect the toilet whilst you're getting yourself washed, if you're really insisted on having it. It also might stop the tambour from getting wet. Don't really think that's necessary, but anyway. Bed at the back. You can sleep lengthways here, so it's meant to be a length. I think it's meant to be a lengthwise construct. You can sleep widthwise as well. Sleep standing up if you wanted. You can fit it. That cushion will fit in here to make the bed even bigger. Under the bed, you may be able to see, you can get some storage in there as well. And of course, this will lift up. You see that? Can you see that lifting up or not? There you go, there it's lifting up. This will lift up to give you even more space. And under here, you can see that's been placed, but that will all come out if you wanted to start transporting bicycles or boxes of oranges or baby rhinoceroses, you know, the usual sort of thing that people take with them when they go to a campsite. Up here we've got more storage, and in here also there's a wardrobe. Well, it's not a wardrobe, it's got shelves in it. It could have been a wardrobe if they hadn't put the shelves in. It's a wardrobe with shelves. Decal looks rather attractive from here. I think that's the television tower in Berlin, but I might be wrong. There's your Dometic Fridge. Opens both ways, should you want it to open both ways, so you can be in bed and you can sort of reach down and get your booze out without having the inconvenience of having to get out of bed. And up here you can use that for whatever you might want to put there. Can't think of anything off the top of my head. Might have a gerbil cage or something that could go there. Here we've got a bit of shore power, and right, so it does look a bit different from your sort of average Peugeot Boxer van conversion. Yeah, well, I've looked down here. What do you think's there? Yeah, well, you're wrong, there's nothing. Steps up to the bed. It's not bad. This actually does have certainly has a bit of style and difference to it. And of course, it's when you're looking for something like this, you may well be looking for a bit of style and something that looks a bit different. Let's see if the lights work. Yes, they do. Let's go outside and have a look here at the back. And right here, as I mentioned, this stuff can all come out. That can come out. That'll move, and that'll create more space. In here, there is a empty bit of storage. You've got your boilers down there somewhere, and here we've got place for your gas canisters go in there. Of course, it'd be much easier if you've got a self-filling option, in my opinion. Here, let's have a look. We've got some more of them here. We'll have a look at another one here. This is called Edition 30. Oh, there you've got gas, TV, but it's not gas in, it's gas out, and hookup. If there's somebody in here I won't be allowed to go in because I'll have to then move in with them, because if you, that'll be only one household. Now here this says the glass bit here has been put, not glass, it's plastic, perspex. It's been put to one side so you can see what the toilet looks like. I would have the following observation, is that that has been put on the wall. This will only work as a shower if that is off to one side. And that might not be necessarily what you want, but yeah, I suppose you could sort of stand in here, see yourself in the mirror and have a shave. If you do that, always remember before shaving to take your mask off. I find you get a much cleaner cut doing it that way. If anybody got evidence to the contrary, please do let me know. Shaving, nobody ever taught me how to do it. It was a couple of years ago I realised I probably doing it completely wrong. Indeed, perhaps I ought to watch a YouTube video on how to shave, because it was... I remember my father telling me how to use the electric shaver, but no one told me how to use a wet shaver. Anyway, apart from that, home is on the road, this says, up there. This vehicle is a Mercedes. It costs 92,000 euros. And, well, it's got the same sort of look to it, the same Bravia Mobil look. Yeah, it's got a definite style to it. There's the aircon up there. But let's have a look in here. Oh, that is a very well done bathroom for a Mercedes. There's stacks of space in here. Look at all that. Really, Mercedes, it's what? It's 2 meters across, not even that. Great. And whilst you're in the shower, you see, you might want to get your beer out the fridge, which is over here. Pretty good, eh? Padded walls, so if you go crazy when you're in here, you should be get some protection. And the nothing unusual about the hobs, because I don't suppose the hobs can actually be improved upon. Right, so 3 vans there from Bravia Mobil, 2 on the Peugeot Boxer basis and 1 on the Mercedes Sprinter basis. Oh, look at that, they've got some more over here. Hey, we'll have a quick look at all 3 over here, and then we'll, if we can get in them, and then we'll clear off. This one here comes at a cost of 66,000. I'd rather have this one actually, because I'm not so keen on the German layout. And oh, there's somebody in there, so we're not getting in that one. And I don't really fancy moving in with this gentleman, so let's see if this one's still open. I mean, he's been in here and he's been sort of cleaning it up. 64,000 euros. And what's it look like inside? Oh, well, the lights are off. Oh, that's convenient, isn't it? No, we're not getting the lights on. That's it. Not seeing it. Never mind. Can't see where the 12 volt is either. So, right. So, we're not filming in that one. So, that is the end. And so, I'll finish off with this thing here, which I started off with. Bravia Mobil on a Peugeot Boxer and one on a Mercedes Sprinter. Around the 65,000 euro mark. And thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Dusseldorf Trade Fair Caravan Salon.